Be clean.
發覺呢個咖啡咧，唔知點解係啲粉永遠溶唔晒，咁你即係話係即係一大桶喺 Costco 買，you know，and then yeah， 即係永遠點解咧？即係個味係 OK 嘅，但係永遠到最後就有啲係用唔晒。咁但係買咗咁大桶翻嚟，因為去到，因為我太太話：喂，去 Costco 買嘢，咁跟住平啲一大桶咁買咗翻嚟，咁我就其實係有啲賭博成分，因為我都唔識嗰個牌子，之前未飲過，就算以前喺澳洲未飲過。咁但係其實大概你知道唔會差到去邊，一般呢類咖啡，咁咪買咯。咁個味係 OK 嘅，但係用唔晒啊？點解咧？佢唔係 for filter 用嗰啲嘅喎。I don't know why. Okay. 你知唔知我頭先洗衫攞啲衫入收落個洗衣機洗嚟洗嘅，我嗰袋裝住污糟衫，跟住到最後攞到最後一件，跟住我發覺 bottom of the bag 係一個用咗嘅 napkin， 因為我唔知個袋係裝咗 napkin， 跟住我係咁塞啲污糟衫落去，跟住而家嗰啲污糟衫攞出嚟就係啲尿味嚟嘅，全部好似隻狗啲尿味咁。我冇諗過洗咁耐咯 ，you know， 洗好耐咯。shit， 因為要去接阿仔喎，應該我跟住接我仔，我翻完單車翻到嚟，沖埋涼，再整埋嘢食，再食埋飯，再嘢喎，而家仲洗緊嘅，點會咁嘅？點搞法咧？咁樣要洗幾耐咧？會唔夠時間咧 ？Shit！
Really? Okay. Yeah.
In 600 meters, use the right lane to stay on Mitchell Freeway. Stay Route 2.
你覺得佢喺做咩咧？
Doctor here.
Following him. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. Catch you, catch you, catch you, catch you. I'm coming to catch you. Come down, tell me. Okay, you tell me how you managed to come back down.
Bella, show her.
應該點㗎？首先係點啊？捉實喎，知唔知啊 ？Very good. Slowly, slowly. 唔好掛住望第二度，要捉實嚟落，知唔知啊？慢慢係啦 ，very good。我哋唔好急喎，記住，知唔知啊 ？Yes. Whoa. Go.
Let's play race. Let's play